My dear friends, in the second part of prepositions, we are going to take up a very important part of preposition that is again a very confusing. There it is a little tricky also. So let's start with preposition here: on, over, above, below, under. These are 5 prepositions which make a lot of confusion because of the concept. So we are going to clear concept to all of you, and you will find that after this conceptual clearance, we'll be able to do this very easily and very nicely. Okay? Let's do the first preposition, on. We did in the earlier part that on is used when there is surface contact. So it is a surface contact. Surface contact. It means something that has got surface contact. Alright? Then there is over, above, below, under. We'll be taking surface contact first of all. So see, on is used. I am just writing a sentence here. The basket is on his head. So this is on here. Alright? This is on here because it has got surface contact. This basket is on his head. So it has got surface contact. So when I talk about over is a position, higher side. On is also position, higher side. Above is also position, higher side. Then what is the difference? So over is used when there is no surface contact. No surface contact. Surface contact. Even above is also used. Then what is the difference between the two? That we are going to take up. Over. Now see here, I have written a sentence here. The sky is over his head. Though it is over everybody's head. Okay, it is over my head also, it is over your head also. Everybody's over their head. So the sky is over his head. It means there is no surface contact between his head and the sky. These are clouds, so this is the sky. We can say the sky is above his head, but there is a difference. That is a very narrow difference. We'll be making that point clear here. So see, above. What's the difference between two? This is vertical side. Okay? Over, under. It is a vertical side. So this is horizontal. So this is a level. This horizontal side is used for above and below. We'll find here the difference between both clear. The water came above his knees. Suppose the water was around here, okay, and it came above this level. These are knees, so above this level the water came. This particularly represents a level, so it is always horizontal side. So see here, the overcoat reaches below. Where is overcoat? Suppose this is a coat, and this coat, suppose it is up to this point, so it reaches below his knees. The overcoat reaches below his knees, and water reaches above his knees. Both sides clear. The ground is under his feet. The ground is under his feet. It is very clear. This is the ground side. All right. This is the ground side and it is under his feet. Rather, we can say the ground is under our feet. The sky is over our head. So that is the difference. Yes, in this part, we are going to make a difference between over, under. Both are opposite to each other. So we are talking about it. See here, over, upside. It is used. There are other uses of over. Over is used for upside. See, he jumped. He jumped over the table. Across. The bridge was over the river. The bridge was over the river. Across the river, from one side to the other side. Area. He ruled over a kingdom. That means he had a very large kingdom that he ruled. Something more than. I had over 15 notebooks. I have over 50 notebooks, books, anything that we have in a plenty of. Sequence. We had 2 meetings over dinner. We had 2 meetings over dinner. So in a sequence, one after another. Many places. Over is used for many places. He is traveled all over Asia. It means he is widely traveled person. Alright? So here, till last. Over is used for till last also. How? He is going to stay over Diwali. It means till the last days of Diwali, he is going to stay with us. Then over is used for other sites. For example, somebody is staying in some other street. So we say, he is staying over the street. He is staying over the street. Okay? Go to other side. Opposite of over is under. We use under for improvement, treatment. Very simple example. My house is under repair. That means some kind of, you see, improvement is required in your house. So it is under repair. So treatment, sometimes doctor says, he is my under treatment. He is under my treatment. So under treatment. How is he? He is under treatment. Okay? That is not okay now. See, in the accounts department, we also use enter this expenditure. Enter this expenditure. Expenditure. Okay? Under the head of sports, there are different heads in accounts. So one head is sports. There may be some head of the miscellaneous. There may be some head of, say, some stationery, some traveling allowance. So this is one head. Not less than. Under is used for not less than. Suppose I will not sell this product under 20 rupees, meaning thereby not less than 20 rupees. You cannot get this under 20. So under somebody, very nice sentence here, he is working under, or this department is under class 1 officer, meaning thereby gazetted officer. This department is under class 1 officer. So it is under somebody. Under is used for during also. Okay? Under is used for during. How? Under present position, meaning thereby during this position, during this time, under present position, this problem cannot be solved. So dear friends, see, this is the difference. There are many more others, but I think this is sufficient part for your level or your studies. So please do these like this in a systematic order. Remember them, make sentences, and you will be definitely clear about these sentences. So as we did the difference between over and under, we are going to do the difference between above and below. That is again very interesting. See, above and below, it is a sort of level. Okay? This level, this is lower side, and this level is higher side. So it is always horizontal. Try to understand horizontal. Above, this is above, and this is below. Meaning thereby, there is some level and something higher side is above, something lower side of that level is below. See sentences for the clearance of this concept. I am saying here the plane is flying above the clouds. The clouds are the limit for plane, and it is flying above those clouds. So above like this. Okay? So something, she is above suspicion, different. She is above suspicion. We cannot suspect her. She is above that. Above. It weighs above 10 tons, meaning thereby we wanted to weigh it and we found that no, it is above 10 tons. Above, not less than, but it is higher than that. This book is above me, meaning whereby the standard of this book is as good as that I am not able to follow this, so it is above me. It goes above my head. So these are some sentences, they make the sense clear, and for students it is really interesting to know when the examples are there. Below, as I said, it is lower position or the level, lower level or the lower position. See, temperature fallen 8 degrees below zero. Meaning thereby it is minus 8 degree. Minus 8 degree. Okay? 8 degrees fallen below 8 degree. Minus 8 degree. Below average. He scored below average in class 10th, in 10th standard. Below the age of 4. Nobody is allowed here. Nobody is allowed here below the age of 4. It means the level has been fixed that above 4 is only allowed, below 4 nobody is allowed. I think when you go with these examples and you try to understand the concept of below, above, over, under, on, you feel it is very interesting to know, and I guarantee you that you will be enjoying and start enjoying the grammar, preposition, and this is going to help you in spoken part as well.